Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix missing ChatGPT chats if your conversation history suddenly disappears from the sidebar. Let's get started. First, try the simplest fix. Click on your profile in the bottom left corner and log out of ChatGPT. Then log back into the same account and check your chat history again. If your chats are still missing, let's check your settings. Click on your profile and open Settings. Now go to Data Controls. First, check your archived chats. Tap Manage and look through the list to see if the missing conversation was accidentally archived. If you find it, select the chat and choose Unarchive. It should then appear in your sidebar again. Also, make sure you're logged into the correct ChatGPT account or workspace. If you used Google, Apple, or another login method, make sure you're signing into the same account where the conversation was originally created. Keep in mind that temporary chats are not saved to your regular chat history, so they won't appear in the sidebar like normal conversations. If everything looks correct, but your chats are still missing, the problem could be on ChatGPT's side. Open your browser and go to the official OpenAI status page. Check whether ChatGPT is experiencing an outage or an issue affecting conversation history. If there is an ongoing issue, you may need to wait until OpenAI resolves it. If there's no outage, you can also try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Select Delete Browsing Data, choose All Time, and clear your cached images and files. You can also clear cookies if necessary, but keep in mind that this may sign you out of websites. After that, completely close your browser, reopen it, and log back into ChatGPT. Then check the left sidebar again to see if your conversations have returned. And that's it. These are the main things you can try when your ChatGPT chats are missing. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.